Nah, man, it's Smack 100, my nigga.
Oh
Okay,
man.
smack 100.
Yo,
This
we
the
got
truth
some questions,
about
Wack.
Smack 100. Clubhouse needs to
We,
know now.
we got some questions, Wack. Hold up,
What's
hold
up?
up. Let me get
What's
P in
up?
the building. Let me get P in the building.
What's
Yo,
up, man? Come on, man. What's up?
yeah,
Why you lying on us talking about we got burners accounts, nigga? You know better than that, boy.
Y'all do got
You
burner
fuck your
accounts. People told
auntie.
on y'all.
Only nigga got a
People told
burner
on y'all.
account is Secretary Reek. He be sitting down there gossiping all day, bro.
Man, cut that shit out. You know half this app got
Hey,
this
yo,
shit. I
Wack,
don't
can
even
I
know how
say
to do
one
it.
thing, Wack?
What up?
Them niggas that run with you, right? Them 100 ENT niggas from
Nah, that's my room, bro. What you mean? They run with me.
yeah,
It's my
yeah,
room.
them
What you
niggas
talking
ain't
about?
got no voices, man. Them niggas don't speak
Man,
unless
we
you
one of the
speak, man.
That shit
Them
is
biggest
niggas
rooms
cold.
don't
on the
speak
app, man.
unless you speak, though, my
But
nigga. They
did
don't.
you
Bullshit.
fuck your
What you
auntie?
mean, bro? What is this
Nah,
nigga?
nah,
You
nah.
talking
Look,
about
this.
fucking an auntie, bro? What's wrong with this nigga right here, bro?
Yo, Wack. This the God of
Hey.
Kings, right? So, quick question, right?
Oh, you
So,
another one they told me got to burn the
nah.
mass report.
Now
They
look,
said you niggas
you
was
know
in the
one thing
right
Whack.
about
room
me.
The
talking
I
hills
all
don't do
have
that
no
shit.
eyes, my
burners.
nigga.
Look,
I'm
I
telling you
don't do
what your
no
people,
burners,
it's a nigga in this
and I
room
don't do
right
no
here, right
reporting.
now. I'm gonna be real. I ain't gonna expose him. Niggas got at me, right? And only look, God the King. Sometimes you gotta do the math. He said you niggas had a meeting. They said your name, he name. Yeah, he was keen on y'all too. And the other nigga that got his ass whooped, we've been watching him all day.
nah,
That
P,
video
yeah,
fake.
nah, that's a
That
fake
That
What's
ain't
the
video.
him,
nigga
video.
bro. That
Ice
ain't
That
Pick?
him.
ain't him.
Ice
That's a
Pick or
fake
some shit, right?
video.
Whatever that
That's
nigga
not
name.
him. Yo, Wack,
All
that's
right.
not
So
him.
It's not
listen.
him, bro.
So listen. They said you three niggas was the leader of the pack talking about create the Burns accounts and we gonna mass report
Now
them
you
niggas. I'm
already
just
know our
telling you.
character won't even
No,
move
look,
like
I'm
that,
just
Wack.
telling you. I'm
Yo,
just
but
telling you
Wack,
what it
what
is.
I
Now,
do know
only
about
y'all
you though
know
is that
if that
if
discussion
that happened, then
it
you would
happened.
have named that person. So
That's a
you
fact.
trying to
I'm
really
not tripping, so let me let you in on a little hint, right?
All right.
With me, with my account, so you know. My account is managed by Clubhouse. So whenever they mass report, it just don't automatically shut it down. The motherfucker that oversees my account has to go in, look, see what they mass report, and if it don't add up, it don't affect me. I'm just gonna keep it real with you. It's a motherfucker assigned to me. They call my phone. They are assigned to my account. So when shit go in, they call and tell me
oh
if I
man,
did
man.
something, if I said something. That's why I had a town hall the other day on what direction they moving. Because outside of us, on this side, cutting each other's throat, they telling me that the people from the other side of the app
Hold
is
on, hold
mad,
on,
is
hold on, hold
mad
on,
that we're utilizing YouTube to strengthen our numbers. The other
hold
side,
on,
the rooms we don't know nothing about.
hold on,
They
hold on.
hold on, bro. I'm giving y'all some game. They come,
We don't need no game. We just stand on truth. You
Facts.
said that we
yeah,
what he said.
yeah. Your
You
people
said that
told
we
me
did
that.
we something to your
I,
accounts and
yeah,
all that.
yeah, yeah.
Burn accounts. Listen, my page and got this is my sixth page. I just changed. I got a new page 3 days ago. I don't know nothing about no burners. I don't got 1,000 phones. I don't appreciate my name and my brand getting caught up. I
Your
don't even
people,
have
bro.
nothing to
Yes,
do.
your people. The
My
So
nigga in the
people.
name
room
them,
right
bro.
Listen,
now.
bro. Listen, bro.
Okay, let me ask you something.
Listen. No, no.
It's
Let me.
unrestricted and push tonight
It's
talking
not
about merging.
unrestricted.
I don't
Listen,
know nothing
bro.
about this shit, bro. They come tell me this shit. I
Listen,
don't know
bro.
nothing
This
about
is
this
not
shit.
unrestricted. It's unstricken mentality.
Okay.
Unstricken.
Have y'all been having conversations about you and PTK merging? See, I
Ah,
wouldn't know
yo,
about this
this
shit.
All right, so
PTK
look, nah,
always been
so look, wait,
scared.
hold PTK up, is his own hold up, P, brand. hold up, real quick, P. So PTK, right? And when you deal with
Mhm.
unstricken mentality came from PTK. So it already was what it was. It was no merging, bro. It was always
I
one
mean,
entity.
listen, I'm just saying what they, I don't know, bro. I don't
That's
be.
what I'm saying. They
Yo,
give you
Hey,
Wack,
bro,
yo,
false
you
you know
know,
this.
information, right?
there. You was PTK for a week or
I
two.
was never been. I wouldn't help PTK, bro. I've never PTK.
Bro,
Oh
you
man,
even
yo,
said
Wack,
you
you was
wanted your
down.
people to
I've
come over
Got
there
never,
to
free
I've
PTK.
never been
sweaters from
PTK. I
Will.
pulled up and helped PTK. What are you talking about?
Will gave you the
I help
sweaters.
a lot of fucking rooms. I ain't part of their fucking room. I just fucking
All right,
pull
so
up.
Wack,
All right,
did
so
you
hold on. Let me ask him this question. Let me get down to the nitty gritty. Wack, the last time you been in here, not even that. You said I'm never coming back in. You in here right now.
I just pulled up, bro. I see my name in the top. I
The
can
name
leave.
is
I ain't
not up
tripping.
there. Hold on, y'all.
All right,
It
I'll roll
says
out. No problem.
it
Let's go.
says Smack 100. It doesn't say Wack. Yes, thank you.
Yeah, get the fuck out of here.
And the rest of you 100
Yo,
ENT
Wack, you eat
bitches,
hot
go
dog,
to.
nigga.
Word, get the
Get
fuck
the
out
Fuck
of
fuck
out
here.
of
out of
here.
And
here.
our whole
That's
thing is this. One thing about us, bro, we not on that police shit the way y'all on it. We will report shit.
Hey,
We
yo,
go knife
Wack,
to knife.
suck my dick,
That's
you
what we
bitch
do.
ass
Y'all
nigga.
just took another
We go
L.
knife
Get
to
the
knife,
fuck
bro.
out of here.
You bitch ass niggas.
Give a
see how
fuck
This
easy.
about
one
none of
room
you
See
y'all
how
ain't gonna
bitches.
easy
play
that
with.
was, y'all.
Play with all the
Hold on.
rest
Get
See
of
how
the
all the
easy
whack
rooms.
that was.
followers.
Listen, y'all don't see how easy it is when you tell the truth.
That's a fact. And
There's
then
no lies.
we all
There's
know
no
one thing, P.
trolling. Huh?
If somebody would have told him that, bro, he would have put that name out
Exactly.
there.
He don't
We
give
Thank
all
a
know
you.
that.
fuck. That nigga's on the phone with Hassan talking about some other shit. He don't know
And
Hassan
he
from a
tried to
can
get
of
the
paint.
recordings talking about his name is
In
in the
the
title.
title, yeah, P. What the fuck this nigga on?
Cause I think
He
quicker than him.
police, just like the people he managed.
All right, so look, we got a few whack 100, you know what I mean, supporters. I mean,
Yeah,
y'all
bring
quiet.
him
What's
up.
good,
Cock
bro?
chompers, you could say it.
Come up here, y'all fucking meatballs.
Fucking hot dog
Come
eaters.
on, speak your
I
mind, you
just
faggot
Fucking
told
ass
Wack,
nigga.
yo, you know what's
bozos.
crazy? I just told Wack before they got in here, I said, them niggas don't even talk unless you around, bro.
That's a
Like,
That's
fact.
a
look,
Hold
these
fact.
on.
niggas don't even,
Hold
they
on,
don't want to
y'all.
talk right now.
My nigga, he they Jesus Christ, my nigga. Real talk.
That's a fact.
So,
Where he be getting his info from? Who told him niggas
That's
saying who
cat,
he
my
murdered?
nure. That's
Big
Nigga
cat.
Will,
try to
my
say
nigga.
it's somebody in
That
the
Talking
came
about
room
from
they
Big
in
right
the
Will,
now.
room,
Oh,
yo.
that
right?
nigga think we
Yeah,
fall for that
Hey, yo,
sucker
guess,
shit he be
yo,
doing
you
to
know
Reek,
what's
bruh?
crazy,
That
though?
came from Will,
You,
yo. That came from Big
my
Will. You know where
nigga,
it came from.
nah, you know what's so crazy? He think that
That
bum
came
ass
from
game,
Flossie, my nigga.
nah, he think that bum ass game gonna work with niggas, my nigga. Like, that
Yeah,
shit
yeah,
ain't gonna
that's what
work,
I'm
my nigga.
saying, bro.
That
He
shit,
trying to
Exactly.
this
That shit
bum
ain't
game.
come
ass
from
game.
nobody in this room, bro.
Shit
We ain't
ain't
built
Nah,
like
happen.
nah,
that.
hell no. Hell
Ain't
no,
no
it ain't.
ain't
Niggas
no
ain't
secretary
fanned out,
Reeks in
nigga.
here.
All
Niggas
right,
ain't
all right.
fanned out.
It's real men that
It's
stand on something
Flossie.
in here. Won't suck no nigga dick
Look
for
how many
nothing, you
hot
heard?
dog followers he
That's a
got,
fact.
yo.
Yo, I feel
He
sorry
got
for
hot
all
dog
y'all people
followers.
who fanned out over that nigga,
God,
my nigga. Y'all block must ain't had nobody who was them niggas. Y'all ain't grow up around them niggas, and
it's
I
a
feel sorry
fact, my
for y'all,
nigga.
man.
That's a
Y'all
whole
niggas
Fact.
is
fact.
fanned out. Where I'm
Yeah, that
from, it's
nigga.
a million niggas like him,
Hey yo,
and 500,000 of them don't get respect.
tell that nigga he left his wallet when he left the crib, running out the house like that.
Don't let that go over your head.
Hey,
That's
Where
a
I'm
yo, hey,
fact.
from,
yo,
it's a
look at the
million whacks, and
comment.
500,000 of them don't get respect. Never let that go
It's
over your head.
it's a lot of niggas that saying fuck that nigga for real.
That nigga think he gonna
And
come in here
tell that
and
nigga
throw
to come get them
dissension
fucking
amongst our
tampons
crew,
out the
nigga.
trash can, yo.
Yo, God of Kings, this nigga thought he was gonna come in here and have niggas looking at each other funny, my nigga. That
That's
nigga
a
could
fact.
suck my
This
dick, nigga.
It's
one room he
Fuck
unity
could
over
out
have
of
here,
pinned a
here,
man. This
nigga.
trick.
nigga been
He could
gone.
have
Word,
pinned a
bro. That
trick
nigga
this
really
room.
did try some
Suck
infiltrating
ass
that
Hey
pussy
yo,
shit, my
nigga.
nigga.
Fuck out of here,
to
bro.
everybody in the
That's a
goo who
fact.
let that nigga take over y'all room and do whatever he did to y'all room, I feel sorry for y'all.
Bro.
This one
Hey,
room
I
he ain't
feel
yo,
gonna pin a
sorry for
trick.
their mother, you
hold up.
heard?
That's a whole
Hold up,
fact, Rocco.
yo, my nigga, when niggas
Hey yo,
yo, hold up, when niggas asked him about his auntie, that nigga was like,
That nigga got tight, B.
My nigga, you hear me, bro? I said, Wack, what's up with your auntie,
That
yo?
nigga came he
That's a
came in here
fact.
with
What that
fake
nigga
shit.
say, beloved? He said, what? Man,
what?
this nigga, man.
Look, he came in here with fake shit
He's a,
talking about that fake
man, that
ass
nigga really
video
fucked his auntie,
iced out,
yo.
man. That ain't no real fucking video, man. That fight, that ain't real, my nigga. That ain't even him.
Yeah, he came in here talking about Ice. Yo, if Ice Style would have been here, it would have been a rap for that
That
nigga.
nigga scared of iced out. He be ducking
Mm-hmm.
iced out.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video. And don't forget to subscribe.